No sources mentioned. Hytale multiplayer not working, can't join friends, full fix guide. If you can't join your friends in Hytale or multiplayer is not working, it's usually because of network restrictions, firewall blocks, or world settings. Step-by-step solution. Hatter 1. Make sure the world is actually online. When hosting, open your world, press ESC online play, turn online multiplayer on, generate a join code, send that code to your friend. If online play is off, nobody can join. Non-Hubbard 2. Restart everything, important. Before deep fixes, close Hytale, restart PC, restart router, open Hytale and try again. This alone fixes many connection issues. 3. Allow Hytale through Windows Firewall. 1. Press Wins-R, type control-firewall.cpl, enter. Click Allow an app through Firewall. 3. Click Change Settings. 4. Add Hytale.exe. 5. Tick both private and public. 6. Click OK and restart game. And National 4, enable UPnP on your router, very important. Open browser, type 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, log into router, find UPnP in advanced network settings, turn it on, save and restart router. This allows Hytale to open multiplayer ports automatically. National 5, port forward Hytale if UPnP doesn't work. In your router's port forwarding section, add protocol UDP port 5520 or the port Hytale shows, device IP, your PC's local IP, save, restart router, restart PC, try again. Chatter 6, turn off VPNs and network limiters. Close anything like VPNs, game boosters, net limiters, proxy tools. They often block peer-to-peer multiplayer. 7, make sure both players match, same Hytale version, both logged into accounts, both restart launcher, try joining again with a new code. Hedger extra fix, if friends still can't join. If your internet uses strictnat/cgnat, normal hosting may never work. In that case, use a virtual network. Install Radman VPN Tailscale. Playit.gg on all PCs, everyone joins the same network, host the world again, generate a new join code. This bypasses router restrictions completely. Important warnings. Don't delete game files, don't disable network adapters, don't use fake port opener tools. After this,